Hi guys, and first of all, thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. And this video will perform an action. That particular action is screenshot. How to browser screenshot. This particular how to create a particular screenshot. How to perform screenshot method. I will show it. And one error is coming in there. That particular error is this particular error. I want screenshot and send to my head team lead. That team lead, I will send this screenshot. How to perform that particular screenshot, and that particular screenshot I will provide in Selenium code. I will run this code. I will want that code, and let's start the video. And right click on Selenium and right plus and tc001 and publish static void main. Finish. I'll create it. Sorry, I will change this 15 and screenshot mm, screenshot. I will rename this and just I will copy paste some code. Why? Because it's a very lengthy code. That's the reason I will paste it. And don't worry, I will more comfortable this and will explain it briefly. Don't worry for that, and I'll explain it briefly. Control V, I will explain it. Don't worry. This particular activity is screenshot. I want some screenshot error. That finding error. The time is screenshot. I'm using exception handling. The particular exception handling providing screenshot. First of all, one package is imported. That package is and whatever the package is imported. That particular package, what is that particular package is web elements, and import that particular packages. We will import it. Yes, run this. Yes, run this program. I will I will one package. I want one Selenium package. I want imported. That is forget it. As a reason is error is finding. I will adding that package and jar file. That jar file is very important jar file. I will visit it. That jar file is came to error. That's the reason. And screenshot jar files. This is screenshot jar file and delete. This time is input input. Okay, I will explain it in this particular screenshot. First of all, we import file.common in file util and out type of also import, and this particular take screenshots also import. This jar files very important to execute screenshot methods and screenshot packages These are screenshot packages, and this is a launch browser, and this is a enter URL, and this is a enter URL, and username and password and login, and driver.web element is a mouse over. This particular mouse over action, this particular all syntax is in in inside the catch and try exception handling browser. This type of try and catch is one thing is ready, any runtime error is find out, the time is the time is error is finding, the time is screenshot is executed. The particular screenshot, first of all I will change that file name. I will go to separate file name, documents, and Selenium. This file name I will copy this, and the Selenium is happenings, and save it, and let's run this program. Simply I run this program. PIM is selected, and PIM close is screenshot is successfully running. And first of all, you explaining briefly, I will explain briefly. And launch browser, enter URL, the time is try to catch exception handling. The activity is in come to the pictures, and this try and catch is particular any error in runtime any error is find out, the time is error is giving a screenshot. That particular screenshot is saving that particular path I will provide, and that path we will check it out, that path. And I will, but any file not given the path, but Selenium setup is given one screenshot. This screenshot is ready, this screenshot is printed, and let's check it the date and time, and 18/12/2022 20:52. This time is this time. Okay, my screenshot is ready too, but XPath is not taking correctly. This problem is balanced, and that's the reason is finally I will provide same things. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, and give them more videos I will providing you description. We'll check it out. Thank you.